In this bed of potatoes, I have three varieties. I have Yukon Golds, some red potatoes, and some russet potatoes. It's just about played out. I was going to wait till the weekend to pull everything out, but it's just going to keep raining here now for quite a while, and I don't want them to start going off for being that much wetter. So I'm going to go ahead and start digging them out now ahead of the next rain shower. The potato plants closest to the camera are russet potatoes, and I quickly learned the folly of trying to harvest all my potatoes at once. On top of the fact that I planted late, russet potatoes are a long season potato and probably indeterminate, so they'd be good in a hilled bed or potato tower. As I dug through the bed, I found a few more potatoes. They were mostly small, and a lot of the plants hadn't died off yet, so I wasn't expecting them to be full size. I decided to leave the rest of the russet potato plants to continue to grow, and hopefully get a few big ones before they all die. Growing food in challenging times doesn't have to be hard, but it helps to know what you're doing.